every day we see some kind of development in the maritime sector. It is not only limited within the ports and shipping industry, but we also see many different kinds of development in the infrastructural level, inclusion of different kinds of ships in the national fleet and also in the private sector. So this is all are the achievement towards the development of maritime sector for Bangladesh. Today, the slogan of the government is to build a smart Bangladesh. And smart Bangladesh is built on 4 different pillars. And these pillars are smart society, smart citizen, smart government, and smart economy. To build all this, maritime sector has very significant role to play in this. Actually, the maritime sector is the lifeline of the national economy of Bangladesh. And we need to take equal initiative by all stakeholders to build up a smarter maritime industry for Bangladesh. If we go by the export statistics of Bangladesh, in the previous year, in 2022-2023, the merchandise export of Bangladesh was about 15% more than the previous years, meaning 6.5 billion US dollar more than the previous years. So this is what is the scenario of the maritime sector's development in Bangladesh. There was a time when we used to see Bangladesh was recognized as the apparel exporters in the world. But today in this expo, if we go around the different shops and different stalls set up in the expo premises, we see that we are not only exporting the apparels, but we have extended the export item towards the heavy machineries, electronics, and many more items. We can also see the vehicles are on display. So this actually signifies the importance of the maritime sector. It signifies the hard work put in by everyone in this sector equally. We also know about the maritime sector. This is a highly compliant industry and is also highly transparent industry in the world. This is to abide by different kinds of rules and regulation. That includes national and international maritime rules and the guidelines, conventions promulgated by the International Maritime Organization. We all know that by 2024 January, IMO single window data exchange has to be complied by all ports across the globe. Bangladesh will also not be an exception. It means more transparency and more compliance in the sector. As the digitalization are taking place more in this sector, more transparency comes up and the stakeholders will be able to identify the challenges involved in this business. And if we can identify the challenges, we can forewarn the business so that they can take measures effectively to cope up with the challenges they face in the maritime sector. Gentlemen, I also represent an organization that is Global Maritime Anti-Corruption Network. They are working in Bangladesh as a watchdog, and many different kinds of reports are coming in, and we are trying to make a liaison with the private sector and also with the government to inform that these are the gray areas where Bangladesh should look into and we should improve upon. I will finally conclude my word with a aspiration, hope that this expo will be a successful one and will meet up our expectation. And Bangladesh will definitely be a smart Bangladesh, and maritime sector has to be smarter than before. With this, I thank everyone for your patient hearing. Thank you very much.